Challenge number 9, Deep Read-Only. Hey, I'm Philip, and in this video series I'm gonna solve all TypeScript HACK challenges and walk you through the solutions. Follow along if you want to learn and become a TypeScript pro. Implement a generic deep read-only T, which makes every parameter of an object and its sub-objects recursively read-only. You can assume that we are only dealing with objects in this challenge. Arrays, functions, classes, and so on do not need to be taken into consideration. However, you can still challenge yourself by covering as many different cases as possible. I would say we open it up in the code editor, and as always we start with our test type to just see what is going on, and we put in here x1. We only have two test cases, so apparently not that much going on. We are starting with the map type, and here we cast every property to read only, and we're gonna do key in key of t, and then we're gonna call t key, and now we have the object read only on one level, but it's not recursive. And to make it recursive, or to make it deep, we just call here again our deep read only with key of t. And now we have here everything should be read-only. This test still doesn't work. By the way, a neat trick to force TypeScript to show the entire object and not as here read-only A is deep read-only of the function and read-only C is deep read-only of this entire object, which doesn't help anyone. You can always create a union with never, and then TypeScript is forced to kind of compute the entire thing. And we now see here expected one is read-only function, but we somehow get an empty object, even though the description said no functions have to be considered. But I would say we try to catch the function. So if t extends function, then we return t, otherwise the object. Let's format this properly here. So, and this seems to do the trick. Let's check the test out. Here we get now the read-only function. So what this does is now it checks, is it a function? If not, which is most of the cases, then we're creating a map type where we go through all of the keys and put them read-only and pass the key into this deep read-only. So we are recursively building an object. When we hit a function, for example here with the value of a, then we just return this function. I'm going to remove the or never, and we're going to check out some other solutions. Key of t extends never, then t, that's also smart, yeah. Otherwise, read only k in key of t, deep read only tk. Okay, this is very close to our solution here. The check is if t doesn't have any keys, then return t, which is smart. Otherwise, build this object. Let's check out the next one. Oh, this elegant answer fails on the second test case, so let's check out if it works. Oh no, it does not work anymore apparently, because the second one is read only A, union read only B. If you put in this object x2, let's try this out and see what we get. And we create the never union again. Because it doesn't work with primitive types, apparently our solution is definitely the preferable one. Okay, we have another solution where this check is done inline, but our solution with checking for the function also works, so I would say we're good. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.